Hello friends, today is day 12. We are on day 4 of social studies. This is the last day of your packets. Next week we start spring break. La semana que viene empezamos con las vacaciones de primavera. So, today we will summarize what we know about one region of the 13 colonies. Repeat the word summarize. What does summarize mean? Summarize is when I know a lot of information about a topic and I say the most important parts. So today you're going to choose one region and summarize what you know about that region. So please take out your social studies packet and open up to your day 4 activity. Point to part 1. Let's read the instructions. Choose one region and complete the chart. This is the chart. So you're going to choose one region. What are our regions? New England, the Middle Colonies, and the Southern Colonies. You're going to choose one. For my example, I'm going to choose the New England Colonies. You can choose a different region. You can choose the Southern Colonies or the Middle Colonies. For my example, I'm doing the New England Colonies. Now I'm going to look for information about my region. I want to find the colonies in the region, the motivations of the settlers in my region, and information about the economy in my region. I can find this information in days 1, 2, and 3 social studies readings. Let's start with the first one, the colonies in the region. What day did we read about the names of the different colonies? Day 1. So I'm going to look at my day 1 reading. From day 1, I'm going to look at the text. Where can I find the names of the colonies in my region, in the New England colonies? Here it is. Where can you find the names of the colonies in your region? Did you find them? Great. So for the New England colonies, their names are Connecticut, Massachusetts Bay, New Hampshire, and Rhode Island. So I'm going to write these on my chart. I wrote them on my chart. I used bullets to make a list. I don't need to use complete sentences in my chart. Now I'm going to go to the next section, motivations. What day did we read about motivations? Day 2. Good. So I'm going to look at my day 2 reading to find information about the motivations in the New England colonies. You're going to look for motivations in your region. Here's my day 2 reading. The text is organized in paragraphs. The paragraphs can help me find the information that I need. I need information about New England. Which paragraph is about New England? The first, the second, or the third? I know the third paragraph is about New England because it mentions New England in the first sentence. So now I can look for motivations in New England. They want to keep their family together and practice their own religion. So I'm going to add this information to my chart, the motivations in the New England colonies. Look for the paragraph about your region and find their motivations. So I added the motivations for the New England colonies to my chart. Look, I used bullets to take quick notes. These will help me when I move on to part 2 of this activity. What other information do I need for my chart? Information about the economy. Where? The economy in the New England colonies. You're going to look for information about the economy in your region. What day did we read about the economy? Day 3. So I'm going to look at my day 3 reading. So I found my day 3 reading. Again, the reading is organized so that I can find the information I want. How is the reading organized? The reading is organized in paragraphs. Repeat paragraph. Good. There are 3 paragraphs. Which paragraph is about my region, New England? The first, the second, or the third? I know the first paragraph is about the New England colonies because it mentions it in the first sentence. La primera oración. Look at the first sentence of paragraph 2 and paragraph 3 to find the paragraph about your region. Good job. Okay, so now I'm going to look for information about the economy in the New England colonies in this first paragraph. I see that the colonists in New England used farming and fishing, pescar. They also grew crops like corn and wheat, maíz y trigo, and they had a port. So I'm going to add this information to my chart. I added the information from the text to my chart under economy. Now I have all the information that I need about my region. Go ahead, pause your video, and do the same thing for your region. You can choose the southern colonies or the middle colonies. Now we're moving on to part 2. Find part 2 on your paper. Let's read the instructions. Listen and follow with your finger. Make a poster about the region. What region? My region is New England. So I'm going to make a poster. Voy a hacer un cartel sobre New England, about New England. You're going to make a poster about the region that you researched. Include information about the colonies in that region, the settlers' motivations to move there, and the economy. Use the chart. Where's the chart? Here's the chart. I'm going to use my chart. Use the chart you completed to help you. Okay, so I'm going to use this information to make a poster and summarize what I know about New England. Puedo usar esta información para hacer un cartel y resumir todo lo que sé sobre mi región. Tú vas a hacer la misma cosa con la región que tú has escogido. You're going to make a poster. You're going to do the same thing as me about your region. Please send me a picture of your poster. I can't wait to see it. Have a great day and enjoy spring break. Que tengan buen día y disfrute de las vacaciones de primavera. Bye.